Hi guys! So today we are going to create a launcher batch script to start Katana with Arnold. To launch Katana and work with the various renderer plugins available, in this case Arnold, you need to make sure that a few environment variables are correctly set up prior to start working. And the easiest way to manage these environment variables is to set up a launcher batch script to start Katana. So now we'll take a look at what it does. So this is the batch script that I'm using currently, but if we go into each of these functions, we can see the first thing is explaining what it does. So the batch script is to launch Katana with Arnold, also called KtoA. This is the name of the Arnold plugin for Katana. Then we are going to set the location of your Katana installation. Mine is this one, but yours might be different. You can copy paste it and see if it works. If it is your location, I can see here, if I go down, I can see the Katana is installed there. So that's matching the path. Yours might be a different version, so make sure it is matching your version. Then we are going to set the location of Arnold for Katana. So we are going to set the path of the installation where KtoA is installed. In this case, mine is installed right here in my user. And if I go here and I copy paste it again, I can verify, making sure everything is okay. And you'll see I have a lot of different versions for Windows open. This launcher script is good for Windows as well. It is not really the one that you'll be using for Linux. And make sure you are using the KtoA version that is compatible with the Katana version you're using. Then after that, we add KtoA to Katana resources search path, so it can load Arnold's plugin resources. So this is what we're doing right here. Then we are adding Arnold's bin folder for DLLs and tools in Katana's USD library to run to the system's path. So this one is ensuring that Katana can find Arnold's DLLs and USD support at runtime, so at render time. And then finally, we are launching Katana with the environment configured to load Arnold. So if I am going into this page, you can have all the information to install Katana. You can see the different releases, the bugs that have been fixed, if you are interested into those things. But if you want to download the product, you're going to have to go on manage.autodesk.com/product/updates. And after that, you are going to search for your KtoA version that is compatible with your Katana version. And once you are happy and you've downloaded those two, you can go in your download folder and basically you will just install the version that works for you, double click on it, and just run everything as you would usually installed. Mine is already installed, but then you do next. You can select the directory if you want a different directory. I'm just going to pick the regular default one, next, and it already exists in my case, but you might be different if you're downloading a newer version. Yes, I would like to quit this installation. And after that, once we go in the Notepad, we're simply going to create a new Notepad, and you can copy paste this script that I have provided to you in the description, change this path to your Katana directory, change this path to your KtoA roots, and simply save it as, and you will not save it as a TX file. You will save it as a and you will save it as a .bat. And I put it straight on my desktop. And if I go on my desktop, you will be able to double click on it. And by double clicking on it, it will launch your Katana. You will be able to see it in the command line. And it's going to find a license and launch Katana for you. And that's how you set up Katana with KtoA at home. Thanks for watching.